Hello everyone, welcome to Jurisprudence Academy. Today we are going to talk about how to ace subjective part in CLAT PG. As 28 days are left for the exam, so I hope your preparation must be going on in full swing for your CLAT PG exam. And that's why we have made a video on how to prepare in last 30 days for your CLAT PG to utilize and maximize your time in last few days. So kindly go and watch that video. The video is going to help you regarding that, how to revise, how to keep mock test, and how to write subjective part. All those things we have discussed in that video. Kindly go and watch that video. The video links is given below in the description. Now let's talk about how to ace the subjective part. As last few days are left, I hope you people are gathering a lot of information and knowledge regarding your subjective part and also objective part, but especially for the subjective part, the knowledge and information is really important, and I hope you people are just accumulating a lot of information. So absolutely you are going in the right direction. But let me ask you one question: is only content enough for your exam or subjective answer? In the exam, if you know a lot of stuff, you're going to write it. Does that give you good marks? Does that the only criteria that you need to have in your exam or writing subjective part? Absolutely not, because there are some other factors that need to be considered with the content to get good marks. If you want to get the good NLU and PSU, then only content is not going to help you to get that. With content, you need to have structure, presentation, coherence, readability, all those stuff, and that we have talked in various essay competitions also. But why only content is not enough? It's because in the exam hall, in those 2 hours when you are going to write with your content, these are the things that we are going to come up, or you are going to face the struggle or the problem in the exam. Like, what is more important, what is less important, what should I write first, what should I write second, what should I write last, what to put into the introduction, what to put into the conclusion. All other things are going to come into your mind. Now you have only 2 hours left. You have to write 2 essay type answers. You have to complete 100 objective questions. So these are the things that need to sort out beforehand. Now only 28 days are left, and now is the prime time to sort out these things beforehand, so that in the exam you are not going to come up with this kind of situation, so that what to write now, what to write next, and what to write in the conclusion. I hope you are getting my point, what I'm trying to mean. And that's why structure, presentation, coherence, readability, and organization, all those skills are very much important with the content that will give you good marks, that will give you the PSUs that you wanted, the NLUs that you wanted. Now you might be asking, why structure, why presentation, why coherence, why organization, why all those things, isn't it? Why structure? Now for this particular regard, I need to tell you 2 reasons for this, only 2 reasons. The first and the foremost reason that I'm going to give you is the definition of good essay. A good essay communicates your thoughts organized way. That is a good essay. If an essay cannot communicate your words in organized manner, then it cannot be called a good essay. That's why if your essay is good or bad, your essay must be organized. First and foremost thing, your essay must be well thought out, well structured, well presented on that very 2 hours. That's how you are going to get good marks. Now the second important reason why only content is not enough is that only 40 to 50 seconds. Now your essay has only 40 to 50 seconds. Now could you please tell me what is the time your teacher will take to review your answer? Maximum 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes, maximum 10 minutes should be the time to review your answer. Now within these 10 minutes or 5 minutes or 7 minutes, within the first 1 minute, 40 to 50 seconds, they are going to decide whether your essay is average or the extraordinary or the ordinary or just below par. Okay, because within those 1 second, they are going to flip through your pages whether your answer will attract the teacher's eye or not. That's how you are going to get the marks. Your answer is not structured and presented enough, then they are not going to invest a lot of their time, because they need to check a lot of other answers as well. So it's your duty and your answer's duty to attract the teacher's eye, to persuade him or her to read your answer, to read your content, and that's how you're going to get the more marks. I hope what I'm trying to make you understand, you have understood. These 2 reasons are very important, and that's why only content is not going to enough. And I hope you people already know that we have conducted 2 essay writing competition regarding CLAT PG. If you have participated, we have talked to you regarding that. If you haven't participated, then you might be thinking what to do next, because now it is the time to improve your answer. It is time to give it a thought that whether you are in better position to write good answer or not. Are you confident enough to produce best answer on the spot on the 26th May? And that's why the lot of students have asked us, sir, you people are not providing any subjective answer guide separately, because we were not providing any separate subjective answer guide. We are giving this subjective answer guide to all other enrolled member, like in All India LLM Mock Cloud series or CLAT PG crash course. So for the very first time, we are going to announce that we are providing the Conquer the Subjective Part, the separate subjective part guidance for you people for the last 28 days. So don't miss this chance, don't miss this opportunity to take your answer to the next level, where we're going to guide you through various courses, various lessons, various home assignment, various tips, methods we are going to discuss in these particular course. Then what you are going to get in this course: 10 video lessons on structuring, presenting, how to write better introduction, how to write better conclusion, how to attract teachers' eye, how to impress teachers' eye, and all those things we are going to discuss in that particular lesson. And along with that, there are 200 important topics for subjective answer, 40 most important topics, and that we are going to make you prepare for the CLAT PG 2019, and 24/7 home assignment assistant, proper review, feedback, all other things that we are going to give you for the next 28 days. So don't waste your time, go and get enrolled in that course, because that course is particularly give you the subjective answer guidance that you want for a very long time. If you want to take your answer to the next level, go and enroll in it. The link of that course is given below in the description. Now, as you people know, that various courses and mock tests are there. Decoding the Jurisprudence, if you haven't got that book, kindly go and get it. This book is on objective on jurisprudence, so that book will definitely help you regarding the MCQs. All India LLM Mock Cloud series, where 40 mock tests, and recent the 10 new mock tests have been updated to 50 mock tests are there, plus subjective answer guide. You are going to get it, the Conquer the Subjective Part, that is included in this part, and also CLAT PG mock book are there, crash course are there, and also recent judgments capsule. If you are willing to take the last 2 years recent judgments, all the summarized judgments, events regarding legal industry, all the judgments and capsules are there, so kindly go and take that. IPA course for CLAT PG 2019, if you want to take separately, then that IPA course is going to help you. Also the international law course, that is going to help you as well. So these are the courses and mock tests, and let me remind you once again, we are providing the CLAT PG subjective answer guide separately. In that subjective guide, you are going to get 10 video courses and 200 important topics, 40 most important topics, and subjective answer guidance, proper review, feedback, 24/7 home assignment assistance, all those things that we are going to give you. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to stay updated regarding CLAT, LLM, UGC, NET, SET, and Judiciary. And don't forget to share this video to your CLAT PG fellow aspirants, because of the subjective part information that we are giving in this particular video. Until next time, thank you. See you soon.